meditation session over here to reunite with our lost loved ones. Before we get into our meditation, please allow me to welcome and introduce you to my guest today, Akash Kamboj. Akash is a past life regression therapist. She is an Akashic record healer. She is into relationship healing. She is into a lot of other types of healings, which are generally termed as alternate healing therapies. And I'm blessed today that Akash has agreed to join us. A brief introduction to me also. I'm Leena R. Prabhu. I'm a Pradnya strategist, spiritual and mental health coach, certified animal telepathic communicator, and certified past life regression therapist, Amazon #1 best-selling author, and so forth. So Akash, before we get on to our meditation for today, please enlighten us as to what made you develop this meditation of connecting with the lost loved ones through meditation. Can you enlighten us? Give us some brief about yourself.
Good evening, everybody. So thank you, Leena, first of all, for having me here.
My pleasure. Where are you joining us from, Akash? Which part of the country are you from?
I am in Faridabad now, right now in Haryana state.
Okay.
Yeah. So as per your question, that how I decided to do this meditation, to record this meditation, when Triptima told us to record the meditation, this thought came into my mind intuitively. And I not even think of the other any topic, because this subject is very close to my heart. I read about a lot about the death. Even the people don't want to talk about the death. But we all know that this is the ultimate reality. So from last 1 year, as the COVID is going on, many people have lost their loved ones.
True.
Yeah, and I am healing many people, and I am helping them to come over from their grief, from their sadness. So by thinking that why not I record a meditation so that the people who can't reach to me or anyone else, they can just listen and maybe they get any answers or they get at least peace in them. That's why I just decided to do this meditation.
Yes, wonderful, because a lot of people have, we have lost our loved ones, not just to COVID, but even
Yes.
to ill health in the last 1 year. And, when somebody leaves us, we all the time want to be in touch with them, and it is painful. And there are so many things that we have said, unsaid, left unsaid, and we want to communicate with them.
Yeah.
And, there are these modalities through past life regression therapy, or through meditation, or through Akashic records, or through various telepathic communication also, where you can connect and communicate with your loved one who is in the other realm.
Yes, yes. Auto writing is also one of them.
Yeah, auto writing is one of them.
Yes.
And some of us over here, some of us are blessed to be able to communicate directly with our loved ones in the other realm. Some of us are trying to get over there. And the medium, the way that you are presenting this meditation is, for a lot more people who can, through listening to your meditation, can communicate with their loved ones. So can you give a brief about this? What preparation does a person need to do before starting this meditation? Is there something specific that needs to be done?
Nothing like that. You just have to stay in the room where you wanted to do this. You should be alone over there. You must have headphones with you, and nothing else. Nothing else.
Okay. Do we need to do some grounding, or do we need to be in a quiet place, or something like that?
No, actually, whatever the place is comfortable for you, you can sit over there,
Okay.
or you can lie down also.
Okay.
So in this way, we will go. Before starting with the meditation, I just wanted to share that when the people go through the deep pains after the losing their loved ones, so sometimes very initially in few days, after the death in few days, they are not able to make connect with their loved ones because they are not accepting the reality that they have left them. So I think what I do with my clients, we wait for a few months, 4 to 6 months, and then we do the sessions and I do the therapies with them. But for meditation, yes, definitely you can try this and you can get the answers. And please, one thing is there that you have to trust, and there is an urge in you that now you are going to connect with your loved ones.
So what you're basically saying is that you have to have a faith.
Yeah, faith.
Faith, yes. and belief that you will be able to connect with your loved one, yes, through this meditation, and you have to even open yourself up to be receptive to what the cosmos is sending down to you. A lot of people have expectations. When I shared this topic with my people in my mailing list, I did get some responses that people were keen to get in touch with their loved one who had transitioned, and there's a lot of hope and expectation. So
actually they will get, because I tried it on myself and I lost my son 4 years back, and then all these things, I think that completely transformed me, and now I am a healer and I am helping the people to come out of the grief. So this is the power in the meditation. Just go inward journey. And before that, if you have any photograph of your loved one, you can take that also with you, and you can keep that on your chest, or you can see that once before starting the meditation.
Okay, so what you are saying is that before getting into the meditation, you can, if you have a photograph of your loved one who has transitioned, then you can take a look at the photograph and then go start the meditation. Or for some of us, the image is so real and it's so live that all we have to do is close our eyes and the image, like my parents are in the other realm, my family is in the other realm, so I just have to close my eyes and I can see them. So if people are not able to see them or visualize, then just take out their photograph. And what I'm going to do is, before we start off on the meditation, it's a less than a 20-minute meditation. I am going to share the link of this meditation in the chat. Okay. So this is the link which has been uploaded on my YouTube channel. I suggest you click on that link and you will come to the meditation. And what I'm going to do is, after this whole session is over, I'm going to process this video also, and I'm going to upload it on my YouTube channel. So I would request you, if you want to, access this this module, then click on the subscribe button, and then this video plus the other videos which I will be uploading, you can press the notification bell icon and you can get access to all these meditations also. Now, if everybody is ready, can we start with go ahead with the meditation?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, it's only a 20 minutes. Keep everything aside, keep your phones, everything aside, and just surrender. What I'm going to share this meditation on my screen share. Plus, I would request you that the link which I have given you, you click on that link from your screen so that you can have a clear view of that meditation on your screen also. Okay? Okay, so now where is that? Okay, reuniting with your. Okay, here goes. Now, let us surrender.
Hello, I'm Akash Amboj. I welcome you to this guided meditation. This meditation allows reuniting with the lost loved one. And this is a sensitive topic. My goal is only to make this useful, helpful video. I hope it will help you where you make yourself comfortable. Sit down or lie down. Inhale deeply once again and exhale. Feel with every exhalation, tension leave your body. Take another deep breath in and be aware that with each breath you take, you become more deeply relaxed. Your body is completely relaxing now. A final deep breath in and let the air out quickly through your mouth. Relax, and as you begin to breathe normally, your stomach is rising and falling. The entire universe is breathing through you. All the worries, tensions are floating away
as you are breathing naturally. The attention is moving in the middle of your chest. It is so good to be aligned with your heart. Through your heart center, with each inhalation and exhalation, as you breathe in, you are inhaling golden light, and as you exhale, you are giving out the loving light to the entire universe. Your eyes are relaxed. The jaw muscles have dropped. With every deep breath, you are feeling so free, in complete harmony with all of life. With every breath, you are feeling so loved and lovable. Before going further, just set an intention in this meditation as your body relaxing little more, your mind is clear and your breath is deep. You are fully prepared now with this journey. So give yourself a moment to reach out. Whoever you have lost, sensing the name by presence, inviting them to meet you in this space at the end of this meditation. Take a deep, long breath in and relax. Bring your awareness into the chamber of your heart. You are traveling with your awareness into the heart where you connected with your lost loved one. Bring an image of your loved one in front of your eyes. Focus on your heartbeat. Feel it. Go deeper and deeper. Your heart, as you are going in a tunnel, the tunnel is full of beautiful golden light. loved one. Moving further at the end of the tunnel, visualize that you are standing at the opening of a huge space with beautiful lights. The space is huge and you are floating up and up, and now standing in between the clouds. Invite your master guide and request them to support you and reunite you with your lost loved one. Intuitively, you know that your master guide is approaching. This guide or mentor has come to offer you support. Get a feel of him. Greet your guide, and your guide is blessing you. Slowly feel that your guide's hand is gently slipping into your own hand, and this relaxes you further in this journey. Moving further and further with your guide, you are entering into the gates of heaven. You are feeling very emotional, curious, and compassionate to meet your loved one. As you entered in the gates of the heaven, visualize the beautiful place full of clouds and beautiful lights. There is so much peace all around this space. and you are feeling positive vibes are coming to you from all around. You are happy and emotional too while you entered in the gates of heaven. Now, at the count of 3, you will feel the presence of your loved one. 1, 2, 3. Visualize that your loved one is standing in front of you. Feel the energy. Let the emotions come out. Let the tears flow down to your cheeks. This is all your time now. Ask whatever you want to ask. Listen whatever you want to listen. Say whatever you want to say. I leave you here for a few seconds. Conversate with your loved one. It is a memorable meeting. This is a remembrance for you for forever. Now it's the time to say goodbye to your loved one. And bow down to your master guide. Thank him. Pay your gratitude to him. We all know we will one day be reunited with our loved ones whom we lost. Let's be in peace and calm now. Feel yourself so peaceful and calm now. Feel your physical body now. Inhale deeply once again and exhale slowly. Feel your breath Thank you.
Now, my goodness. Hello, everyone. Oh, wait a minute. Just a moment. Can you hear me properly? Okay. Mind-blowing experience. Akash, thank you so much. Would anybody like to share? Please unmute yourself.
Hello.
Yes, Amit ji.
This was my first experience of meditation. While I can't go to the level that you suggested, but all I could feel was that my tears were flowing. I was looking to connect to my wife. I was not able to reach to that level. Who's my master guide? I don't know, but it was very emotional feeling. Maybe I need to do it again. But this is the first time I am trying to meditate. I've never done it in my life earlier. Never believed in this, but this is different, very different. I almost felt that I'm looking at my wife, but the period is very short. It needs to be much bigger. It's very short.
Somebody's, the others request you all to please mute yourself. No, Miss, wait. Mr. Bhandari, you please unmute yourself because you are talking. There's some child behind somewhere whose sound we could hear. Anyways, please go ahead.
Yeah, that's all. That's all. That's all I want to say.
So
I need to learn more probably. I really need to learn more.
So this is just the beginning. You have got a glimpse today through this meditation that you can reach your loved one. And this meditation is with you. If you have, subscribed to my channel, you will be able to access this meditation at any time. And I would urge you to once again go through it.
I'll do it definitely. I'm going to do it tonight.
Yes, and the more you practice it, the more adept will you become at connecting with your loved one.
My question is that how real it is. Now since we are talking, it is just is it just my imagination, or do we really connect with them?
Akash, would you like to answer that question?
Yes, sure. So Amit ji, what is my experience? This is real. This is not your imagination. Sometimes so many unanswered things have been left when someone left this earthly realm. So when we connect with them through the meditation, definitely we get the many answers, and that validate also. I experienced that, and this is real. Definitely it will help you if you do it again, and you will get the answers. Definitely.
So this is to add to what Akash had said. We are not aware of the other realms that exist in this universe. We are so focused in you know, that life begins at birth and it ends at death. But once you open up your vision to a 360-degree view, you know, there are so many other dimensions to life, and life goes beyond death, and life was already existing before we were born. So the soul is eternal, it lives on. And Akash will agree with me that, you know, through our past life regression therapy sessions also, we have seen our own lives, and we have seen the lives of, we have met with our families in the past lives and in the future progression. And now I don't need to go through this meditation. I can communicate directly with my loved ones at any time. And it's the communication like as though I'm talking to you right now.
So I just
So-
wanted to add here that during the past lives, when we connect with our loved ones, and we understand the karmas, what karmas we have done, and why this has happened to us, and why they left us early, and what is the connection between them and us in other lifetimes, and why we are here in this lifetime again. So when I did the past life, this progression, regression, then I got the beautiful answers, and these answers make us understand to stay calm, and acceptance came in us after that. After doing these sessions, acceptance came in us. That is the most important thing, that when we accept the things, we started getting healing.
Right, right. So one always wishes that, you know, our loved ones and we are immortal, but the soul is immortal. That is the thing that we need to, you know, really understand.
Yes.
If you have seen even a glimpse of your loved one tonight in this 20-minute session, you will have realized that you have actually connected with the consciousness of your loved one in the other realm. Hi, sweetie. So you have actually connected with the consciousness of your loved one, and it is true. The more you practice this meditation, the more will you be able to have a nice, proper conversation with your loved one. And I say this to you through personal experience.
Yeah.
Thank you for sharing, Mr. Amit.
Thank you.
Would anybody else like to say something? You can show your, you know, you can video, we can see your video. You can unmute yourself. And I would like to say that when you, Akash, when you said that your angel will come and guide you to the cave, my dad came as the angel and he took me to the cave. So in the cave, like I didn't want to meet anybody else. My dad was with me and he took me to the cave. So there was this blissful feeling of companionship and being together. And that was it. There was no, I don't have any questions to ask him right now, and he did not have any message to give me as of now. Whenever he does communicate with me and puts the message right in my ear, and we have a conversation. But tonight it was just being together with each other. So that was my experience.
That's great.
Would anybody else like to share?
मैंने अपना भाई संदीप कंबोज को खोया है। वो छोटा था, मुझे नहीं समझ आ रहा वो क्यों चला गया। वो नहीं जाना चाहता था। एंड टाइम तक बातें की उसने हमसे। वो पहले दिन भी बहुत खुश था, अभी मैं ठीक हो गया हूँ, फिर उसे हार्ट अटैक आ गया अचानक। नहीं समझ आ रहा वो क्यों गया। उसके छोटे छोटे बच्चे हैं, मुझे आराम नहीं आता दिन रात। पूरी फैमिली कोविड से अफेक्टेड हो गई थी। अब वो लोग ठीक है, पापा आज डिस्चार्ज होके घर आए हैं।
जी, हम मैं समझ सकती हूँ, आकाश भी समझ सकती है आपका दुख। अभी आज के मेडिटेशन से आपको कुछ आपकी मुलाकात हुई या कुछ पहचान हो गई?
एक्चुअली वो मेरे भाई के बेटे ने डिस्टर्ब कर दिया बीच में रूम में आके एकदम से। अब लेकिन मुझे ना वो हंसता हुआ दिखा है और कुछ नहीं।
तो वो आपको कुछ कहना चाहता है? हंसी मतलब वो खुश है, ऐसे वो आपको कहना चाहता है?
नहीं, वो बस हंसा है और कुछ नहीं।
हाँ, इसमें सुनीता मैं ऐड करना चाहूंगी कि जब कोई सोल हमें हंसती हुई दिखती है, व्हेन यू विजुअलाइज दैट, तो इट मीन्स कि वो आपको मैसेज देना चाहते हैं कि वी आर ओके, हम ठीक हैं और आप भी ठीक रहो। तो एक बात मैं और ऐड करना चाहती हूँ कि बहुत ज्यादा ग्रीफ नहीं करना चाहिए हमें। हम क्या करते हैं, बहुत ज्यादा रोते हैं एंड बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस आते हैं कि हमारे साथ ही ऐसा क्यों हुआ, वो हमें छोड़ के क्यों चला गया या चली गई। एंड मैं इसलिए कह रही हूँ कि मैंने भी ये सब किया है, बट ये जो ग्रीफ है इस पे हमारा कंट्रोल नहीं है। आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड दैट, बट हमें ये नहीं करना है। हमें उसकी ग्रोथ में, आगे की ग्रोथ में रुकावट नहीं डालनी है। वी हैव टू सेंड द ब्लेसिंग्स, हमें उसको ब्लेसिंग्स देनी है कि तू जहां भी है अब खुश रह। व्हेन यू गिव द ब्लेसिंग्स टू दैट पर्सन, तो उसके आगे की ग्रोथ इजी हो जाती है। जो उसने आगे जाना है वो उसके लिए आसान हो जाता है। जैसे आप एग्जांपल ले लो, आप अपने बच्चे को हॉस्टल भेजते हो और फिर बार बार आप उसको 10 फोन करते हो, तो उसका ध्यान भी पीछे ही रहता है, तो वो अपने एनवायरनमेंट में सेटल नहीं हो पाता। तो इसलिए ये जरूरी है कि उनको आप बोलो अपनी तरफ से, सारे परिवार की तरफ से ब्लेसिंग्स भेजो कि अब आप जहां भी हो खुश रहो, हम मैनेज कर रहे हैं, वी आर ओके। इस तरह उनकी जर्नी भी आगे इजी हो जाती है। आप इसको दोबारा एक बार ट्राई करना, यू विल डेफिनेटली गेट द मैसेज।
ओके।
और आकाश को थोड़ा ऐड करते हुए मैं कहना चाहती हूँ कि जो रूह जाती है वो, अगर हम पेन में हो, अगर हम दुखी हो, तो वो भी रियल में वो फील करते हैं अपना पेन।
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल।
और ये मैंने देखा है, मतलब जब भी मेरे मम्मी के साथ कम्युनिकेशन होता था तो मुझे दुख लग रहा था, भाइयों को दुख था, तो जब भी मैंने उससे के साथ बातचीत करी, कम्युनिकेट करी, तो वो दुखी थी कि हम लोग दुखी है।
हाँ बिल्कुल।
तो तब से मैंने तय किया कि अभी दुखी नहीं होना है, क्योंकि हम क्यों दुख पहुंचाना चाहे अपनों को, भले ही वो हमारे साथ नहीं हो, कोई दूसरी दुनिया में हो, तो उनको खुश रहना चाहिए। तो हमारी भी जिम्मेदारी होती है। आपका सवाल मैं ले लूंगी, एक सेकेंड। How about medium? Someone can help me to connect with my wife? जी जरूर, आप आकाश से कनेक्ट करवा सकते हो या मेरे साथ बाद में बात कर सकते हो, एंड डेफिनेटली वी कैन हेल्प यू आउट। या तो सुनीता जी, आपके जो फैमिली वापस आ गई है कोविड से बच के, तो उनकी देखभाल कीजिए आप, और हमेशा आपको पॉजिटिव ही रखने का है एटमॉस्फेयर घर में, एकदम पॉजिटिव। थोड़ा भी क्वेश्चन मार्क नहीं रहना चाहिए दिमाग में कि ये ठीक हो जाएंगे कि नहीं, क्योंकि हमारी जो एनर्जीज है, वो एनर्जीज जो हमारे सामने वाले बैठे हुए रहते हैं वो पकड़ लेते हैं। तो आप कौन सी एनर्जी देना चाहेंगे अपने प्रियजनों को? हैप्पी एनर्जी अगर देंगे आप उनको, तो उनमें हौसला बढ़ेगा जल्दी और उनको वो रिकवर कर सकते हैं जल्दी। तो आपकी कोशिश ये रहनी चाहिए खुद के लिए और उनके लिए भी कि आपकी एनर्जी पॉजिटिव रहे, खुश रहे। तो जो आपके साथ जिंदा है उनको भी पॉजिटिव और हैप्पी एनर्जी देनी चाहिए, और जो आगे चले गए हैं उनको भी हैप्पी और पॉजिटिव एनर्जी देनी चाहिए। और ये एनर्जी झूठ मूठ की नहीं, क्योंकि वो समझते हैं कि कौन सी सच रियली आप फील करते हो एनर्जी और कौन सी एनर्जी आप फेक कर रहे हो। तो आपको रियल एनर्जी, हैप्पी और पॉजिटिव एनर्जी अपने अंदर से आनी चाहिए, जो आपके जो प्रियजन है वो महसूस कर सके और उसमें से अपने आप को ठीक कर सके, राइट? Okay, anybody else would like to share your experience of connecting with your loved one? Even if you don't have anybody in the other end, आज का experience कैसे रहा, आप वो भी share करना चाहते हो तो वो भी share कर सकते हो। Right. So looks like everybody has had a wonderful experience. Maybe they are overwhelmed right now, or they cannot say anything right now.
Yes.
So later on, maybe they might go through the meditation again at your own time, शांति से, और पूरा surrender करना है इस meditation में आपको, और आप जरूर अपने loved one को मिल सकते हो और communicate भी कर सकते हो, ठीक है? So thank you very much, Akash. Thank you so much for coming over here and sharing your words of wisdom and your own personal experience. And next week also we will be meeting with another meditation, and hope all of you all join us. And not only you, I would request you to share the invitations that I'm sending with more and more people, so that more people can be benefited with this, whatever we are trying to do. Gratitude, gratitude. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Lina.
Thank you.
everybody.
Yeah. Take care. Yeah. Bye. Bye.
Bye.
If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon to get instant updates on my latest videos.